let's cover building a 1440p budget gaming PC, Evetech Edition. So starting off with the motherboard, CPU, and RAM, we are going to be going for a Evetech upgrade kit. Now this kit does consist of a 3500X processor. It does have a A520 MSI motherboard and 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM. Now, one thing to note, the CPU is a 32L3 cache CPU, which is going to help you with your gaming. This comes at 2,999 Rand. Okay, next in the build, we've got the case. For the case, we've gone for the Game Diaz E3 tower. This tower is going to come in at 799. For the power supply, we've opted for a 600 watt 80 plus power supply. This is a Game Diaz Kratos power supply, and it's coming in at a price tag of 899. For storage, we went for the Western Digital Blue, and this is a 1 terabyte storage NVMe, coming in at a price tag of 1,299 Rand. Okay, so finally, the GPU. So we've opted for the best 1440p budget gaming GPU. This obviously being Intel's B580 card. This card is coming in at a price tag of 6,499 Rand. We take all this together, as you can see over here, this puts our total at 12,495 Rand, which is for a 1440p entry level gaming PC, quite freaking good. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to comment, drop us a follow, and stay tuned.